Let's unlock the door. Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight.
Yay, Grandma!
Hey Siri, is the door locked?
Your front door is locked.
Meet Ebo, your cat's new best friend. Ebo is a smart robot that will become a part of your family. Whether at home or away, Ebo gives you peace of mind that your cat is happy, healthy, and engaged. Use the app to control Ebo. See your cat through a live stream direct to your phone. And also record crystal clear 1080p video to create and share videos of your cat. Ebo is also made from cat-friendly materials, so you never have to worry about your cat touching any of Ebo's surfaces. Ebo is also pretty smart. It can not only do this, but it can also do this.
Hey, buddy.
And just like your cat, Ebo always lands on its feet. Ebo also has some pretty nifty dance moves. Use the app to edit videos, to share to social media, and create sweet gifs. Also combined with the Ebo collar, use the app to track your cat's steps. Log their steps each day and see your cat's activity compared to global averages. Did we mention Ebo is smart? Ebo has built-in sensors for obstacle avoidance to ensure Ebo doesn't need to take any unnecessary trips to the vet. Can't get to your phone to play? Set the time you want Ebo to keep your furry friend company, and once playtime arrives, Ebo will automatically leave its dock. Ebo will do a 360-degree scan of its area, ensuring there's enough room to play. And then, well, let the good times roll. Does Ebo have style? Well, you tell me. Ebo also purrs rather than roars, so playtime never has to intrude on your favorite TV show or movie. And when playtime is over, Ebo has a return to home function, so it can recharge and be ready to play when your cat is. Ebo, your cat's new best friend.
Alexa, turn on humidifier.
Introducing Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Our new thermostat does so much more, like taking care of your comfort, health, and security. Saving energy is just the beginning. It starts with an easy install you can do yourself. It's also completely redesigned with thicker glass, 50% larger display, and new metal body. What hasn't changed are the intelligent energy savings, automatically saving you up to 26% on heating and cooling costs. The included sensor keeps you comfortable by making hot and cold spots disappear in the rooms that matter most. Your thermostat and sensors know when you're home and when you're not, saving you energy without ever compromising comfort. Never compromise on safety either. One device acts as your home monitoring hub, alerting you of motion, the sound of a smoke alarm, or if your pipes are in danger of freezing. And when you're home, the Smart Thermostat Premium can also detect your voice, with Siri or Alexa built in. Hey Siri, turn down the thermostat.
Okay, cooling to 70 degrees.
Hey Siri, play some jazz.
Now playing Jazz FM.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes counting down.
And with a built-in air quality monitor, your thermostat can also tell you about your indoor air quality. If it senses poor air quality, it will send you an alert and give you tips on how to improve it. From air quality to energy conservation, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium will help you unlock a healthier home and a healthier planet too. And the more homes we're in, the more of a difference we can make.